What you can do when struggling with desires. Feeling the constant urge to go after whatever your heart desires, where it consumes your mind, distracting you from other important things in life. What can we do to resist the temptation of our desires? It's important to understand that Allah the Most High created us all with the desire for wealth, sexual desires, and the desire for family relations in general. It is not haram to love wealth and dunya, and it's not a feeling that you can just get rid of. However, Allah guides us through the Quran and Sunnah on ways to manage and fulfill these desires in a halal way that is pleasing to Allah and a way that will help you. First, let's understand the reality of this world as Allah the Most High says. Chapter number 3, verse number 185. And what is the life of this world except a fleeting enjoyment? And the reality is, it is a fleeting enjoyment, where we chase the things that we enjoy. But after a time, all of those things leave us and the joy comes to an end. It's important to note that there's actually nothing wrong with wanting the dunya. In fact, it's natural and the way that we have been created. The problem is when you become consumed by it and it begins to have a negative effect on you. Why is that a problem? Because it takes a hold of your heart and it drags you into the depths of the dunya, where you lose sight of what you are really here to do, why you were created. That's a casualty in this pursuit of fulfilling desires. We can end up wasting all efforts and time on fulfilling these base desires, and the actual purpose of life goes unfulfilled. What every Muslim should strive for, according to the Quran, is to become the best they can possibly be. Allah refers to these type of Muslim in the Quran as mutaqqun. Al-Mutaqqun are those who are patient, those who are true, those who are obedient in worshipping Allah, those who spend in the way of Allah, and those who seek forgiveness in the last hours of night. These type of Muslims fulfill their desires, but also the focus of life is far greater than base desires. It is to fulfill your purpose in life and become the best version of you.